Windows are more than just a functional element of your home. They impact its energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall comfort. In Meridian, where homes experience a mix of seasonal temperatures and weather conditions, choosing the right windows is essential. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading old windows, making the right choice can significantly enhance your living experience and property value. Here's a guide to help you select the best windows for your Meridian home. Understand Meridian's climate and its impact on windows. Meridian homeowners face warm summers and chilly winters, which means your windows need to offer excellent insulation and energy efficiency. When choosing windows, prioritize those designed to handle these fluctuations in temperature. Look for options with features like low E glass. This coating reflects heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows with insulating gas, like argon, between the panes provide superior thermal performance. Energy Star certification. This indicates that the windows meet or exceed efficiency standards for the region. By choosing windows tailored to Meridian's climate, you can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Prioritize energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are a must for modern homes, especially in areas like Meridian where heating and cooling costs can add up. When evaluating windows, pay attention to U factor. This measures the window's ability to retain heat. Lower numbers indicate better insulation. Solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. This measures how much solar radiation passes through the window. Choose a lower SHGC to reduce heat gain during hot Meridian summers. Air leakage ratings. High-quality windows minimize air leakage, improving efficiency and comfort. Investing in energy-efficient windows can save you money over time, making it a smart, long-term choice for your home. Match the style to your home's design. Meridian homes range from traditional to modern styles, and your windows should complement your home's architecture. Some popular window styles to consider include double-hung windows. Classic and versatile, they work well in traditional and colonial-style homes. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, these are perfect for modern designs and provide excellent ventilation. Sliding windows. A great option for contemporary homes, offering wide views and easy operation. Bay or bow windows. Ideal for adding character and extra interior space to your home. Picture windows. Fixed, non-operable windows that offer unobstructed views and maximize natural light. Choose a style that harmonizes with your home's overall aesthetic while meeting your practical needs. Consider material options. The material of your window frames impacts durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Common options include vinyl. Affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance, vinyl is a popular choice for Meridian homeowners. Wood. Known for its classic beauty, wood frames offer excellent insulation but require regular maintenance to prevent rot and warping. Aluminum. Lightweight and durable, aluminum frames are ideal for modern homes but may lack the insulation of other materials. Fiberglass. Strong, energy efficient, and resistant to weather damage, fiberglass is a premium option that performs well in Meridian's climate. Each material has its pros and cons, so consider your budget, maintenance preferences, and aesthetic goals when making your choice. Focus on durability and maintenance. Meridian's weather can be unpredictable, so your windows need to withstand changing conditions. Choose windows with durable materials and finishes that resist wear and tear. Low-maintenance options like vinyl and fiberglass are ideal for busy homeowners who want longevity without frequent upkeep. Look for noise reduction features. If you live near busy streets or noisy areas in Meridian, noise-reducing windows can make a big difference. Double or triple pane windows, combined with insulated frames, can help block out external noise, creating a peaceful environment inside your home. Evaluate your budget and long-term savings. Window installation is a significant investment, but the right choice can save you money in the long run. While high-quality, energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, they often pay for themselves through reduced energy bills and fewer maintenance needs. When budgeting, factor in potential savings from tax credits or rebates for energy-efficient upgrades in Meridian. These incentives can help offset the cost of premium windows. Work with trusted professionals. Choosing the right windows is only part of the equation. Proper installation is just as important. Poor installation can negate the benefits of even the best windows. Partner with trusted local professionals who understand Meridian's climate and building codes. They can guide you in selecting the best windows for your home and ensure a flawless installation. Think about warranty. A good warranty offers peace of mind and protection for your investment. Look for windows that come with comprehensive warranties covering defects, performance, and installation. Reputable manufacturers and installers typically stand behind their products and workmanship. Conclusion: choosing the best windows for your Meridian home requires careful consideration of energy efficiency, style, durability, and climate suitability. By prioritizing these factors and working with trusted professionals, you can find windows that enhance your home's comfort, appearance, and value. Ready to upgrade your windows? Invest in quality options tailored to Meridian's unique needs and enjoy the benefits of a more beautiful, energy-efficient home for years to come.